Hey everyone, in this quick TikTok video, I want to show you how to make your TikTok account private. So go ahead and launch TikTok here. I'm going to go ahead and skip the ad here. And when you're on TikTok, just click your profile icon on the bottom right here. That will take you to this profile icon. And on this page, we want to click the three dots on the top right of the page. And that will bring up the privacy and settings option of the page. And you want to go to privacy and safety. That's the second one under accounts. If they move this around, look for something that says privacy and safety. Click that. And as you could see, discoverability, the second option is private account. So you could simply turn that on to make your account private. It says when the account is private, only the people that you approve to see your content can see your content, and existing followers won't be affected. So if you wanted to do that, it's that simple. And if you want to change it back, again, it's that simple. You could come and do that right here. I hope you found this useful. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for easy to follow social media and tech videos, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.